You might be wondering, what are the different types of LTVPs in Singapore? It's a valid question because there are different schemes for different groups of people. You might have also come across terms like LTVP plus and heard that even common law spouses can apply. Yes, it can be a little confusing, so let's break it down. Part of the confusion comes from the fact that different LTVPs are handled by different government agencies in Singapore. Let's go through each of them one by one. Disclaimer: the information in this video is based on our own knowledge and experience. We are not affiliated with ICA, and their actual policies may differ. Details are accurate at the time of recording, but immigration rules can change. Please treat this video as general guidance, not legal advice. If you're working in Singapore on an employment pass or similar work pass like S-Pass or Entrepass, this applies to you. You're allowed to bring your legally married spouse and children under a dependent pass. But what if your situation is different? You have a common law spouse, a stepchild, or a handicapped child. These family members do not qualify for a dependent pass, but they can be brought to Singapore under an LTVP if you earn more than SGD 6,000 per month. Also, if your monthly income is above SGD 12,000, you can apply for an LTVP for your parents. Key points to know: these passes are issued through the MOM system, not ICA. The LTVP's validity usually matches the main pass holder's employment pass duration. Government fees are higher, usually around 300 Singapore dollars. Your employer must endorse the application and sign the forms, as they hold responsibility for the LTVP holders. This type of LTVP is for spouses, children, or parents of Singapore citizens or permanent residents. Let's say a Singaporean marries a foreigner or has children born overseas. This is the LTVP they would apply for. There's also something called LTVP plus. This is a special version given to spouses of Singapore citizens or PRs. The moment it's approved, they also get a letter of consent to work in Singapore. No need to apply separately for a work pass. Parents of citizens and PRs can also apply for an LTVP, but they do not get work rights. Key points to know: applications are made through the ICA system, not MOM. The Singapore citizen or PR is the sponsor, no employer involvement. The document and verification process is more detailed than MOM's LTVP. This is a lesser-known type of LTVP. When a child is studying in Singapore on a student pass, one parent or grandparent can apply for an LTVP to accompany them. Here's how it works. Application goes through the ICA system. A Singaporean sponsor is needed. This could be a relative or friend. This LTVP does not come with work rights. A real-life example can be: a child is studying in Singapore. The working parent has to relocate abroad. The mother and child might stay in Singapore for another year or two to complete school. During this period, the mother can stay on an LTVP under this scheme. So in total, there are 3 main types of LTVPs. 1. Mom LTVP, for special family members of employment pass holders. 2. ICA LTVP, for family members of Singapore citizens and PRs. 3. Student-linked LTVP, for a parent or grandparent of a student pass holder. Each one has different rules, processes, and benefits, depending on your situation. Thank you for watching. Visit our website or reach out to us for a consultation. We're here to help you succeed in your Singapore immigration journey.